Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. And to this video, I will show you how to import PDF file data into your Microsoft Excel worksheet and become editable in Microsoft Excel worksheet. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Microsoft Excel workbook. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to the top right here. Go ahead and click on data. Under the data right here, go ahead and click on get data from. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and navigate to get data and go ahead and make sure you navigate to from PDF right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you locate where you have the PDF file. So I have it in my desktop, then go ahead and select the PDF file. I'm going to use this PDF file right here. Go ahead and click on import. So you want to do is to go ahead and select the shell from the PDF, and then you have the preview right here. Go ahead and click on load. And in a few seconds, the file is going to be successfully loaded into your Excel worksheet right here. Then from here, you can edit as much as possible right here. So you can see they become more editable. You can highlight and do different formats to the shell right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Microsoft Excel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.